Hi there, and welcome to your Wordly demo. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see how Wordly makes meetings and events instantly accessible in any language with live AI translation and captions. Let's get started. Here's what a session using Wordly looks like. The presenter's slides are on the left and the Wordly experience is shown on the right. Notice how Wordly is capturing every word I say and generating captions in real time. It works seamlessly for both in-person and virtual events. In-person attendees scan a QR code and view captions or listen to translated audio on their own device. Virtual attendees follow along on their computer. And for in-person events, Wordly captions can also be displayed directly on stage like you see appearing on the left now. They can be overlaid on the main stage screen or displayed on a side monitor, so attendees can follow along together. Attendees can select from dozens of languages and switch at any time. Watch what happens when I change the output language to French. I'm still speaking in English, but the captions on the right are now being translated into French in real time. Attendees can also listen to translated audio by clicking the speaker button. This is especially useful for in-person events, where attendees can listen through headphones while the presenter speaks.
Je continue à parler en anglais, mais les légendes à droite sont maintenant traduites en français en temps réel. Les participants peuvent également écouter la traduction audio en cliquant sur le bouton du haut-parleur.
Now I'll switch the output language back to English and turn translated audio off. You can see Wordly instantly updates the captions to the new language. Wordly also automatically detects when the spoken language changes. I'll speak a few words in French, and you'll continue to see the captions in English. Par exemple, si je commence à parler en français, Wordly détecte le changement et continue à traduire, sans rien faire de la part du présentateur. And now I'll switch back to English. Notice how Wordly detected the language change and adjusted in real time. Wordly works standalone for in-person events and seamlessly with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Organizations around the world use Wordly for everyday meetings, global conferences, webinars, and much more. It improves accessibility, lowers interpretation costs, and supports multilingual audiences with minimal setup required. That's your Wordly demo. In a live demo, we can show you advanced features like transcripts, summaries, and custom glossaries. Contact your Wordly representative or visit our website to learn more.